You know, well done today. It was really good. I think...
I don't know about that. I won't go that far. That's me. That was really good today. Sure. We are in the same car, right? It wasn't just me. Coming out way too wide. I must admit, okay. I did mess up that.
It's alright.
Because I went pulled the other way.
Right. So well done. Let me just give you a tissue.
Oh, look at that.
Clean my car.
Professional. Okay, yeah. Fucking grab one.
You get it?
There you go. Got it.
Take one, yeah. Not like I need it for my next clients. Wipe the steering.
I've got. You know, I'm the only client you need, mate. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, I mean you pay me enough, so.
There you go. Exactly.
Yeah, that's Nick cleaning the steering wheel, doing the job for me.
Do it here as well.
And the handbrake.
Handbrake.
Keep that. That's yours. You can keep the tissue.
Thank you very much.
Nice little present from your instructor. Aren't I generous?
Very generous. Yeah, very generous.
In fact, I want to give you some hand sanitizer as well.
Mate, you couldn't do enough.
What else do you want from your instructor? You want some coffee as well, Nick?
Yeah.
Come back to my place.
Stick the kettle on.
Tea?
Come on.
You're a tea guy, are you?
Tea guy. Yeah. I want the full and biscuits. Oh, boy. Am I turned off here? No, I'm not. Don't think so. Yes, I am.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. In today's video, we're going to do a full mock test. But before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button for all the latest videos. And once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give one of our subscribers a free driving lesson or even a free mock test with your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. So make sure you comment below and subscribe.
Hey guys, we're with Nick. And he's one of our old students because you just want to keep doing driving lessons with me. I think you just love me too much.
It's just too much fun.
Because what Nick does, he takes a couple of months of driving lessons, then takes like a good couple of months off, maybe even more than half a year. This year we had a nice excuse, it was lockdown. So
at least this time for once I had an excuse. But no, it's just.
But generally, Nick, so you've done quite a lot of lessons. You got to a good stage, and then unfortunately, you have to go away for whatever, like studying or whatnot, work. Yeah. And then this time around, it was the lockdown. Sorry, again before the lockdown, we were almost getting you ready again.
Yes.
So it's been a long time. You've been out for a long time, excuse me. So let's see how you get on. We're gonna do a mock test, and yeah, let's see.
Awesome.
How do you feel about the mock test, Nick?
I'm feeling confident. I'm going to try my best. Absolutely, try not make as many mistakes as possible. I want to see if I can nail this, but we'll see what happens.
And hopefully that mask here will like keep that mouth shut.
Yes, hopefully it will muzzle me. Definitely.
We're literally with a stand-up comedian here, so it's the funniest guy you'll ever meet.
Right. Awesome, ready to go.
Hey guys, so we're gonna do a mock test with our student Nick. Again, maybe some of you guys take lessons, then take time off, then go back to lessons. It actually does happen. Even though as a teacher we want the continuity, but unfortunately whatever life throws at you, you have to deal with it. So whether it's studying, work, whatever the reason, you guys go off, then come back. So we're with Nick now. We're going to see how he does his mock test. It's a really good drive to watch, I think, as a teacher, because you see the good things that he does, the bad thing that he does. When you become a very good driver, what are the bad habits that you might pick up, what are the easy mistakes that you can make. Watch it to the end, and hopefully you guys can learn something from it.
Just going to ask you a quick question inside. If you answer it right, it's cool. If you don't worry.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so one of the questions they're going to ask you inside is, let's say, how would you check the brakes are working?
Check the brakes are working?
Yeah.
Probably check the brake fluid and.
You're kind of doing it.
Just doing.
As you're driving, you'll be.
If you're driving, just gently tapping it and see if the.
Yeah, that's it. That's literally as you're driving.
That's going to be more technical than that.
No. So yeah, you just You're just pressing it lightly, and you want that firmness, yeah? Okay. Whenever you're ready, start the car, and we're going to turn right from here.
This is a typical response from an examiner. If the student doesn't really know the answer, he will try to help you and probe you to help you get the answers out. You should really indicate when you move off, but as we didn't affect no one, it's just a caution right now, so we're just thinking about it, but we haven't faulted him.
Alright, all good. Been busy today or?
Yeah, usual lessons.
Yeah. Usual. Not doing much.
You got a lunchtime lesson, so you had a nice lie-in.
Yeah, I did a bit. I was up for I was up this morning, did a bit of uni work, but I was about it, to be honest.
No running then today?
No, I did a 1.5 mile run yesterday.
That's alright. Actually, it's not too much. 1.5 is nothing. Really.
I'm doing interval training at the moment, so I'm not going too mad.
We're just going right the roundabout, Nick. First roundabout right, second roundabout, first exit left.
But yeah, so I'm not going too mad, to be honest with you.
And then left up ahead. Let's not give the route away. You're now going to take the first, so you're going to turn right at the end of the road and then turn right at the roundabout.
It's too nice a day. Too nice a day, man. Should be out.
So I'm stuck here with you.
Yeah, exactly. Jesus.
Great times.
I could be doing something else right now.
Great. Mate, you're the one who's paying me.
That's a good point. Why am I paying for this? Alright then, mate. Alright, calm down. Can I go through? You gonna let me through?
You decide.
Reacting to other people's bad driving is extremely impressive, as an examiner will be happy with the fact that Nick was able to react. Obviously, it's good to just double check all your mirrors, but again, impressive driving because he was able to react.
Let's just pull up on. Actually, no, there's no gap. Keep driving, no worries. Turn left at the end of the road, please.
A couple of family members are going to Richmond right now, so they'll be sitting nice down by the river. Enjoying a nice quiet pint. Oh God, I wish.
Wow, 12 o'clock?
Yeah. the main thing is you don't drink before 12. Then you got a problem.
Ah, that's the trick.
If you drink before 12, then there's a serious issue.
Let's go go left at the roundabout for now, please.
Wednesday afternoon, why is it so busy? Everyone should be
in the pub, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's
either that or it's like they should be at work, or they should be down the pub doing the decent thing.
Did you notice how I leaned towards Nick to see the speedometer? Sometimes the examiners... That was a slightly dramatic exit, apologies for that. The video is quite long, so we've actually cut up into about 3 parts. That way it's easier to digest, it's easier for you guys to stay focused watching the whole video, as there's a lot to learn from our student Nick himself. In part 2, you're going to see the core part of the driving test. Once you pass the first 5 to 10 minutes, pass the nervous part of the driving test. As you can see in our case, where you're more likely to make a mistake or so. And once you're thoroughly into the driving test, now you're going to see how it's like. You're going to see maybe even the overconfidence of a driver. You may even see some silly mistake a student can make, as you will see in part 2. And how examiners actually help you students out in order for you to correct your mistake. Really interested to watch. Don't forget to catch part 2. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give a nice little gift to one of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and comment below.